Good morning, traders. Welcome to the E-Mini Thunderdome. We are live. It is November 7th, 2023. It is a Tuesday. As always, this is pure entertainment. Follow any of my trades. You're doing so at your own risk. You're not supposed to be following my trades. It's not a trade calling service. You're supposed to be doing your own homework and learning from my narration. But if you do following my trade, doing so at your own risk, not liable for any losses or damages to anyone's live account, evaluation, or PA. All right. I just took my first trade. Believe it or not, I've missed a few opportunities because I was being very, very tight. Disclaimer off. And I'm actually quite scared of it because there's still the open iceberg that's not completely filled. It's so far 425 filled at 87, so 78, 87. So I would like to see them pull it because otherwise it's still a magnet. I have a really strong target at 78.08. Yeah, I was talking to a friend of mine. He goes, "Oh, you're gonna be trading the MCL," and I said, "Yeah, probably that's a great idea." And then I just saw how it just stalled up here, and I said, "You know what? I'm gonna take one trade." And then the iceberg started to appear as a hidden order, started to get filled. And now I am not so sure. There was a lot of trading that went off here. So this is why I'm afraid, because this may be it. There was icebergs. There was a whole bunch of buy stops and spikes and all kinds. There was a lot of trading taking place. And the delta, because of this, the delta went from negative to positive. So now we are positive in the delta. Yeah. But our biggest rips are to the downside. We also have, we're negative, right? So what on my analysis that I send out on Sunday, what should have happened Sunday to Monday happened last night. And the clue yesterday that the market wasn't going there because they couldn't stay above 84, right? We all saw that. Oh, here we go. I need to pay attention because I may have to exit this trade here. Go. So obviously there's going to be a lot of buyers from 50 all the way down to the low. It's hitting icebergs. A 50 iceberg just hit. There's a hidden order that's all the way down at 36. That 13 filled. There's one at 31, 26 filled. You know what? I'm going to exit this. I'm going to at least take some out. I'm going to take some out right here. Oh, that already hit, huh? All right. Yeah, I'm just not, I don't want to leave any money on the table here. They could just pop up and go test 79, especially with that iceberg still waiting. This business, again, I'm going to say it every single day, is take your money and run. Take your money and run. All right, we have POC at 70 and we have VWAP at 82. Come on, get me out. Yeah, I have to admit, I got a little bit greedy with the 3. I should have already cleared the 2, but it's my first trade, so, and I missed a bunch of opportunities. So I believe, I could be wrong, but from my analysis, it seems like it started to fall off because of European financial reports. I didn't see any type of geo news at all. So, no, come on. All right, on a longer time frame, all of this is a short. It could be a wave 5 going all the way down. First target is where I'm actually a little bit lower, where my hot target is 78.09, and then go all the way down to 77.63. So we needed to bounce off of this POC, forget about VWAP. So we're doing our live free streaming. It's Tuesday, so I'll be exiting at 8:15. Relog in at 8:30. Please join us as always if you're not busy. Oh my God, all right. Hopefully I'm not being greedy here. Hopefully I'm not being greedy. Yeah, I think a lot of people got caught on the low. So it's definitely a weak low. So it may want to test that. Well, go, go, go. Here we go. Here we go. So there definitely going to be buyers. You know what? 34. There's going to be a lot of buyers. You know, all right. Hopefully I'm not being greedy. Since that iceberg is at 36, I'm going to just join both at 37. This could be a mistake. But let's see. Maybe that iceberg will be a magnet. Go, 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 go! Hit it, hit it, hit it. Oh my God, one tick. Oh, hit 38. Come on. Oh no. 38. Come on. Get me out, get me out, get me out. Come on. Iceberg. All right. 38. Come on. Yes. 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 Oh, there's 37. All right. All good. So a hidden iceberg just appeared, not the one that's partially filled. So what are they trying to do? Are they trying to block this level? Is that 400 and a quarter all sell? All right, stop to entry. And this is going to be whatever. Oh, there it is. Whatever happens, this is my last CL trade. I'm going to keep all of this money. There's no way I'm giving any of it back. All right, so it hit the icebergs. Actually, a hidden order. I mean, all of these are hidden orders. CME calls them icebergs, but in TTW, they go and call it a hidden order, and then you can go and set it to go and print as an iceberg. In my opinion, in case you missed it, I think that it's only a market moving trade if it's above 50. So I have them print as an iceberg at 50. So if you ever hear me say hidden order or iceberg, they're still the same thing, but I call them an iceberg when it's above 50. Okay? Just want to make sure we are in the same page, because there's no such thing as a hidden order. It's all icebergs. So I have several hot targets below, but I don't think it will pass 78. But you can never say never with any instruments, especially CL is one that we've seen already. It will rip 5 points if it wants to. If it picks up momentum, it will. So now we are on that zone that we talked about. I'm actually going to go and reread it again on the downside. So on the downside, short positions need to initiate below 80.75, which is what happened tonight, right? Or almost, no. But it opened, the pit opened at 79.44 is the opening. So yes, that is happening. It needs to hold 81 and needs to close below 78.82. So here we are, 78.40. So chances are that we'll either see a 77.47, which is my next hot target, or we may see somewhere in 69. We haven't been down on these levels since July. And then on another chart that I use, everything is showing that if it goes any further today, that chances are it will stop at that anywhere between 77.47 and 77.42. If it gets below that zone, then it may stop at 77.12, and if it picks up momentum, we could see a 75.13, but I doubt that we'll see that today. 8 points. I've only seen 8 points with major catastrophes. That's the only times I've ever seen 8 points or more. Actually, it was a time that blew my account. Looks like I had a little more off of those two, huh? All right, start looking here. So that the hidden order that was at 30, they moved it down to 27. Yeah, I missed the short at where was it? Right at 78.93. I actually put a limit buy when I wanted to go short, and I noticed it, and I had enough time to get out of it, and then immediately just started to, and I was like, it started to anchors away, and for a second it almost put me in tilt. I said, okay, relax. You missed it. No big deal. And then I just thought, okay, maybe it's not your day. You made a big mistake. Are you okay? Are you tired? So if you ever see yourself making some kind of mistake that, you don't do it frequently. I do it once or twice a month, but I don't do it all the time. But when I do it, I always ask myself, okay, why did you do that? So it could be a good idea for you guys too. So, all right. So those buyers came in, but not. It looks more like retail small lot traders. All right. So now we're starting to go back into negative delta. So yesterday we talked about this. Market usually likes to stay on one side only. The delta usually likes to stay in the same side as the market. And when it goes to zero, usually it's a rejection, but it can go over. So same thing that happened yesterday, it's happening today. So for a brief, that is, let's see, positive, positive, positive. So it went positive at 7:11. So for about half an hour, no, because then it went negative at, for about 20 minutes it was negative. And now we are right at minus 11. So are they trapping people here and they still want to go down and do unfinished business at 78? We need to look at momentum. This is very large momentum. But again, the trend is to the downside. This is the biggest move during RTH. So I don't know. The biggest moves here are on the downside. I think we should start from here. So 55-point move down. But the biggest move of all was doing ETH. That was 69 points. So that's the biggest move here. 69 points down. All right, come on, go, go, go. Let's go. Let's finish this. Oh, let me fix my chart here. What the hell is going on? Oh, look at this. They moved that fat iceberg all the way down to 42. Oh, this is... what could be happening? It's gotta be a sell, right? It's gotta be a sell. Because if it's a buy, they're almost... I mean, not a buy. If it was a, oh no, it could be, I was gonna say, if it was an exit of a trade, they're they are where they initiated, unless they're afraid that the market is gonna go lower and they just want to exit. But I think it's a sell. They sold up here and now they are looking to clear. Whatever it is a clue, and I guess we'll never know unless start giving us more clues. All right. Oh man, I should have stayed with those three, but I chickened out. All right. So hot target 78.08. I'm just trying to front run it just in case. All right. And here we are. We are negative already 800 in the delta. Iceberg just hit 150. And that was one that was opened at 27. I am tempted to exit. I don't know. With this iceberg here, with the... You know what? I'm going to exit. I'll be very happy with this. All right. I'm going to exit. I've had some amazing days last week. I had an amazing day yesterday. Boom! Yes! Yes! Yes. Don't want to push my luck. Do not want to push my luck. I'm going to take my money and run. If I didn't have to go and do the public, the free, I wouldn't even trade. So I'm going to do one lot MCL in the public. But yeah. So we still got targets. So it could rip right through 07 and 09. And then we have a target anywhere between 63 going all the way down to 44, 77.44. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what the intentions of that iceberg. 500 is huge. One 500 order is a big player. And I don't know what he's trying to do. So I'm going to stay out of his way. Okay, so we could... Can it go further down? Yes, it can. All right, so from here all the way down to here could be a target. But it could all stop anywhere here. All right. Looks like that iceberg became a magnet. That is a 78.42. Yeah, man, I cannot complain at all. Off of one trade, I am very happy. There it is, 500. 500 lot. Yep. Oh, so they also could have been trying to buy at 82. Oh no, it was 87. So Did they buy earlier now? So that just brought the delta to minus 400. Not because of the iceberg. Most of the iceberg was already filled, but this move up here brought it to 420. All right, guys, this could be a pullback. There could be a short. So it could go and test the low again, or we are on our way back up and target is 79. So this could be a pullback to go and initiate a short here to go and test any of this, or this could be a long starting right from here to go all the way up. So you have to decide, do you want to go with the trend? Has the market had enough at negative 250? I think it's going up. I think it's going up. So the clue will be if we can kill this higher low here. This could have been wave 4. This is one of the reasons also why I got on the short. Wave 4, this could be wave 5, and now we pull back and correct, which would be at least 61 Fibo. But nothing is clear. It's still early in the day. I mean, we tested that week low. Actually, it was 10 ticks down, so we didn't make a week low. So this could be a solid low, but it's a lot of buying pressure. But a lot of trades took place right here. So I think I'm leaning more towards a long at 42. Okay, now things may have changed here, guys. All right, so POC just moved down to 48. That was only at 70, but that's still a nice big move. So are they going to do outside in or inside out? I think it's a long. Oh, a hidden order just appeared. That is at 43. I think we are going to 94, or at least back to where that iceberg initiated at 87. This could be a good long. Oh my God, I don't want to trade. I don't want to trade. But the only issue with this trade is that you have to have your stop at least 20 ticks. Yeah. Decision point. Yeah. It's I'm leaning more towards a long. If they could hold this, yeah. If they could hold this right here. I'm tempted to take iceberg 50. All right, I'm not going to. I'm not going to. So 50 iceberg. So just in this area alone, 550. No, it's not, because it only filled 3 of that 500. So yeah. So it looks like it's having a little POC battle. It may want to do an ABC to go and launch. Go and test this supply area. Or they are tricking buyers to go and hit that 7809. Yeah, the long is definitely high risk because of the stop. You gotta have 20 ticks. Gotta be, yeah, and here they go. Buying pressure. Huh? Starting to look more like inside out, huh? And that iceberg may have helped. I'm tempted to take a MCL long. And this would be a great spot because you have less risk. Not trying to convince anybody, just me narrating. But again, still have that hot 78.9 target. It's a century number. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to go and switch everything to MCL. It's going to go, I'll be right back. I may take a long here. Let's see how it reacts, making a new low if it wants to. And I'm only going to trade one lot. So high risk trade, buying at the bottom. Actually, I'm going to go for it. I'm going to go for it. And let's see. Very high risk trade, but I'm not risking anything here. I'm just looking for a launch just in case it wants to go in and do a little weak low. So this is just so I could stay in the game. Not looking for profits. I'm risking 16 bucks, but I still want to be in the flow. I'm still going to have to narrate here on the free, so I still want to stay in the flow. So true target would be 79. I think that it will stop either at 80 or either at 87, where the iceberg initiated. Now I think that it would have to hot knife this area right here. Actually, a little more. I think all the way down to no, yeah, right there. And then we have POC at 48 with that 50 iceberg that hit. We have VWAP at 75. So all of those could be resistance. You know what? I'm going to raise my stop, because if it's going to go through this, it's going to go through and hit that 09. So either I'm under 78 or I get stopped out and just re-enter again. Here we go. Here we go. It will be a bummer if it goes to target and I didn't take a CL trade. but hey, I could have been wrong too, right? So, all right, here we are. We are at resistance. Need to hot knife high 40s. Need to hot knife. There we go. I want to see a 55. Want to see a 55. Maybe I'm going to exit at VWAP. $74. I might exit at VWAP. I don't know. All right. We're starting to kill lower highs. Starting to rip. I could already had $1,000 on the big boy, huh? 3 lots. All right, can't get caught up in spilled milk. That's it. I'm happy with what I made already. Right, next to kill, we need to go be above 68 But then there's that VWAP at 79. Retailers love to trade this VWAP, either entering or exiting. Oh, either way, it's going to be an obstacle, and right now it's at 73. Come on, keep going, keep going, keep going. All right. So either VWAP, so anywhere between 73 and I would say 87, where that iceberg is. Go, 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 go. Could all be resistance. So all of this is all, I believe it's all all right. We just had some sellers. I'm gonna bring my stop to entry. God, for a second it looked like it was gonna go. Yeah, actually. So POC moved up to 58. So it went from 48 to 58. Are they doing outside in? I don't want to see a 48 again. This needs to hold, but that's a lot of selling pressure. So now this needs to turn into support. Now this could also be just a pullback from making a new low, and now it's going to go and start anchors away again. This could be a wave 2, right? A, B, C down, go and test 78. That will be a beautiful extended ABC. Otherwise C, so C can go and stop anywhere around here. Or this could be a small wave 2, wave 3 target, pull back, wave 4, launch again, and test 79. So we may see it pull back 20 points. That may take me out. So I need a zigzag down, only 17 to 16 points, and find buyers at 41. Maybe that POC move ruined everything. Inside out. All right, needs to stop here. God, that looked so good for a second. Needs to stop here. Or at least at 38. All right, that might have been just a pullback. Oh, here we go. Here comes the buyers. I'm tempted to add one more. All right, I'm going to add one more here. One more. And I'm going to go and clear. I'm going to clear one. I mean, I'm risking so little here. Oh, I added. Yeah, what the hell is that? Come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Got a hot knife. 58. All right, I'm going to go and split this also. Just in case I'm wrong. No. Come on, buyers. Get in there. Ah, for a second it looked like... Yeah, I think I got trapped. For a second I saw some buying pressure. That's why I added. But I might have gotten trapped. Yeah, we need to hot knife 60. Yeah, I think I got trapped. I shouldn't have added. Glad is only MCO. And I'm going to give this a little more room here. Just in case it wants to go and pick some stops here. God, that looked good for a second. I thought I had the momentum. Look at that. They came in selling hard. Yeah, not looking good anymore. This could have just been a pullback. Look at the momentum. It's going to take me out. Yeah, I think it's going to go all the way down to my target. Man, that looked good. That looked good. All right, I'm just going to go and join up. It's only 40 bucks. Actually, I'm going to give this trade a chance. Just in case it wants to do a weak low here. And if it's going to go, I believe that now it will go. So I'm going to actually raise it to 87. Since I'm risking a little more, I want a better payout. All right, guys, I'm going to be leaving in about 5 minutes. I need to reset everything up for the streaming. Yeah, I had a feeling I should have cleared at 60. Yeah, this looked like a stop pick. But I got involved in the, oh man, it's going. But that could have been a short wave 3, right? Or this here is the beginning of a wave 2. I mean, sorry, wave 3. Or it could be doing zigzags. So if this was a wave 5 all the way down, now it will do, corrections are always zigzags. It will do ABCs, ABCs. So it could be a single big zigzag if you're looking at a higher time frame, or it could be a whole bunch of connected ABCs. So it could be a double, triple, quadruple zigzag. So this definitely, if it keeps going up, definitely looks like a zigzag. And this is wave C up. And then we'll go to my target, come back down again, do another B, go back up, do a C, then it will keep doing that all the way up to target. All right, we are at decision point. This needs to hold. All right, guys, if you have anybody who's interested in trading, let them know that we'll be going live. Yeah, I'm quite surprised how a lot of people are just not seeing the benefit of trading crude. I've had so many people just write me and say, "What are you doing trading crude?" Nobody trades crude. Well, how many of the people that you know that are trading NQ or the ES that are making money? The only great thing about ES is the liquidity. And you don't get scalped. So a scalp is it's in between the bid and the ask. If you look at your dome, sometimes it'll be very close and sometimes it will be 5 ticks away. And if you click on a market buy, then you get scalped and they'll give you their better price, not what you want. And who does that is the local or the market maker. Go, go, go. Could this be a zigzag? So Delta is trying one more time to go positive. Need to hot knife the 60s. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Please join me on the live. I have to go and set everything up and take a quick little restroom break. You guys know where I'm at. I'm not going to move anything. Oh, just hit POC and sell pressure. Look at that sell pressure. Immediately. Oh, come on. Not again. All right. I got to go, guys. I'll see you guys in a bit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you live in the Thunderdome. Thank you.